You are listening to The Vocal Technologist. Spoken Tech for your ears.
Welcome to the Deep Dive. We're here to unpack the latest tech innovations and figure out what really matters for you.
And today, it's all about creation, isn't it?
Yeah.
Specifically how AI is just, well, changing everything.
Absolutely. We're exploring this incredibly rapid evolution. Think AI, video generation, yes, but also how it's getting woven into, say, a designer's everyday process.
It really is moving beyond just being a cool new toy.
For sure. So let's maybe start with video. Google's been making moves with VO.
Ah, yes, VO. They've expanded it, haven't they? Image to video now, right inside the Gemini app.
Exactly. You feed it a photo, give it a little prompt, and out comes a video.
And the scale is pretty impressive. It's not just some limited beta.
Right. They rolled it out, over 150 countries? And get this, users have apparently made over 40 million videos already.
40 million. Wow. Well, that tells you something about demand, doesn't it?
It really does. And they're putting watermarks on everything, right? A visible VO mark and some kind of invisible ID.
Yeah, Cynthia do. It's crucial for knowing where this stuff comes from. Digital provenance, basically. It helps track authenticity.
Okay, so 40 million videos.
Yeah.
That's a huge number. Is this becoming the standard way to quickly mock things up? And, what does that mean for creative work itself?
Well, it certainly makes creating content easier for more people. Democratization, you could call it.
Yeah.
But yeah, it definitely brings up questions about content overload and digital rights.
Right. And if VO is about scale, maybe. What about control? I heard about a new tool, Intangible, from some Pixar and Apple folks.
That's the one. Intangible is trying to tackle that feeling of, fighting the AI to get what you want. Control is the big challenge with generative video.
So how are they doing it differently?
They're using a 3D interface. You sort of build your scene, first drag and drop objects, set up cameras, control the space, and then the AI renders it.
Oh, interesting. So you give it more structure beforehand.
Exactly. It's meant to bridge your idea and the AI's execution better. But, it's still early days, has its quirks, and it actually relies on other AI engines like Kling for the final video output.
Kling, right? Known for pretty realistic stuff. Okay, so more control, more integration. That seems to be the trend. And it's not just video, like we said. Design workflows, too.
Yeah, I saw that piece you mentioned, the veteran designer talking about practical AI. I like that analogy.
The exoskeleton idea.
Exactly. Not a separate app you jump into, but something that's just there, embedded in the messy back-and-forth process of actually creating something.
Right, helping with the grunt work almost. Mood boards, specs, admin, finding stuff.
Automating those bits lets designers stay in the zone, focused on the bigger creative challenges, exploring more ideas faster. It's about boosting human creativity, not replacing it.
A powerful way to put it. And this boosting, it seems like it's even creating new kinds of roles. The design engineer.
Yeah, that's emerging. AI makes it easier for, almost anyone to turn a basic idea into a functional prototype. Think project managers, even marketers, quickly visualizing concepts.
So quicker initial creation.
Quicker initial steps, yes. But, and this is key, you still absolutely need that core design skill for the refinement, the quality control, guiding it to something truly good. The future probably belongs to people who blend that creative craft with a wider technical understanding.
Okay, so we've seen AI changing what gets made and how. But there's another layer here, isn't there? Understanding why the AI does what it does. Context management.
Well, that's a tricky one. How do you show the user what information the AI is actually using to generate its response?
We see things like context chips and interfaces sometimes, little tags showing the source info.
Right, but those can get messy fast, especially when you have multiple AI agents working together. It gets complex.
So what happens then?
Well, one idea is that as people get more used to AI, maybe more confident in it, these explicit context displays might fade a bit. Unless, of course, the AI gives you a weird result, then you'd want to know why. It's sort of the trust thing.
Interesting. So wrapping this up then, AI clearly isn't just another tool anymore. It's becoming a fundamental partner in creation.
It really is. It's taking on more of the how.
Which leaves us, and you listening, was a pretty big question, right? If AI handles more of the technical how, what new kinds of what can human imagination explore? When you're freed up from some of those old burdens, where does creativity go next?
Yeah, how might your own creativity evolve in this this augmented landscape? Definitely something to think about.
Spoken Tech for your ears.